Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to be unboxing the card kit of the month from Spellbinders. This one is from April 2023 and it's called Happy Skies Ahead. Sounds really cheerful, so let's just jump right in. I like that they come in these pouches now because when I have any leftovers I can put them right in the pouch. So that's kind of fun. Okay, let's see what we all have. Starting with the inspiration card. Here it is. Just looking at it right away, it looks like there's some really playful elements with ice cream and summery looking things, which is kind of fun. So let's just go through the contents. To go through the contents, let's just start with the first item on the list. We have 8 cards and envelopes. These are A2 sized and they're perfect for making projects out of. They're that linen finish, if you can see, cardstock, and it's really pretty and works really well for making card bases out of. And then the envelopes are plain white and they are the moisten to seal envelopes. So that's perfect to start off. I usually make more than 8 cards, but 8 cards is a great start for card kits. Then it says 20 A2 size panels of cardstock. Ooh, that is really pretty. So we have a very vibrant blue, 4 of those, 4 light blue pieces, and then we have 4 green, 4 light pink, and 4 dark pink. If this is the color scheme for the kit, I'm excited because these are, wow, without the green, but those are part of my favorite colors, so I'm excited. Okay, and then we have the pattern paper, and the pattern paper is 6x6 pattern paper. It comes loose and there's one design of each sheet. So let's just lay them out and get a look at them. Ooh, very summery. I'm liking that. Yellows, oranges, and pinks. Oh, how fun. Little sunshines. Okay, at first I thought these were hot air balloons tipped upside down, but I think they are in fact pears. Cute. Ooh, this is probably my favorite. Look at that. I'm a kindergarten teacher and anything like this ABC is just perfect. That is really neat. Oh, and there's gold foiling on that one. Oh boy. Okay, and then we have green plaid, little sunglasses, cherries, foiling on this one. It's kind of like a brunch breakfast kind of a paper. Rainbow stripes, orange hearts with cream, blue and white flowers. Ooh, rainbow sentiment paper. That's fun. White strawberries. And the last one also has gold foiling on it. It looks like these are fruit trees. That is really unique. How fun. Okay. As I've said in previous videos, the pattern papers are really kind of where my excitement and inspiration comes from. Just looking at these already, I have some ideas coming to my mind, so that's really exciting. Okay, next we have the die cut shapes. So I will go through those at the end since I like to lay them out so I can see all of them. So we'll come back to those. Next, after that, we have the puffy sentiment stickers. That would be these, I'm assuming. They're kind of like banners. And there's one side. And from my experience, the puffy stickers like this are pretty sticky, so you don't need to use any glue behind them. So that's really nice. It's great because the colors are colors that look like they match the pattern papers. So they do such a good job at Spellbinders matching colors together for card kits. It just is really nice. Next is a chipboard alphabet. So here that is, it has a little bit of a gold foiling on the letters. So that's neat. It's fun to spell things out. And then there's also this little scalloped border here. And then on the side there's 2. So that's cool. All right. Chipboard embellishments. That would be this package. I'll just open it up. On this side, it looks like there's, ooh, What jumps out right away to me on this side are the numbers, which is really fun for making birthday cards with numbers. So you can kind of mix and match those around and make some number birthday cards. That would be neat. This little ladybug is adorable. Then on the back, oh, more numbers. Okay. And something else that stands out to me on this card is the ice cream cone. And I just think that's really pretty. There's definitely some foiling on many of these stickers or chipboard stickers. Next would be the sequins. These are sequins without holes in the center, kind of like how they have been coming recently, which is really nice because then the glue doesn't pop out through the back, which I really enjoy that they are flat on the top. But they have a beveled edge so they catch the light nicely. They always give plenty of sequins, and I definitely have leftover sequins from card kits, and I'm certainly not bashful with the amount that I put on cards, so that's wonderful. Then we have the foam squares and the double-sided adhesive. They always put these in card, which is really convenient for people who don't have a whole bunch of supplies right away. This card kit makes a really nice gift for someone, because all you need is basically a scissors. They give you the card bases, the paper, the double-sided adhesive, so this is like a double-sided tape basically, and then the foam squares add dimension, so you're all set, and everyone has a scissors at home, so you really have everything you need to go ahead and start making cards with just the card kit and a pair of scissors. Okay, next I'm going to lay out all of the die cut pieces. I'm going to lay out all the die cut shapes, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like when I've laid them all out in my trays. Alrighty, I finished sorting through all of the die cut shapes, and I landed on 3 trays just so I could see everything. My first tray all is food themed, so everything that is related to food. I also included the birthday candles on this tray just because to me the birthday candles go with cake, although the only cake that I kind of see is this, but I'm pretty sure this is a Jell-O bunt. I'm not sure. So maybe we'll have to make a cake out of some pattern paper or something, but I just really love all of the fruit colors. They're really vibrant, so that's wonderful. Now this tray, what jumped out at me on this tray was this adorable bear with the heart sunglasses and this little house scene. I love making scenes, and I think that that's a really neat little thing there. This tray has everything that's not food related, and then the animals, minus the ladybugs, which I will get to in a minute, but I suppose they could fit here. But so we have just, the teacher in me wants to call this the noun box because it's people, places, or things, but I suppose everything here is a noun. It's just not food. So it's objects that are not food, and some scene builders down here. Then on this tray is all of the flowers, and then we have this big heart, which is so pretty, and then all these ladybugs and little heart circles and rainbow circles. When I was taking these out of the package, I just kept finding more and more ladybugs. I think they are so cute, and I cannot wait to use them on my cards because they are just colorful, and I have some ideas already in my head about those ladybugs, so we'll have to see what I create. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing what I do with this card kit, stick around on my channel. I will be posting a 8 cards 1 kit video, and you can see what I make. If you're interested in my process of learning about how I go through a card kit, head over to my channel and check out the process videos that I posted last month in March. I go through how I go through a card kit and really my do's and don'ts for planning out your cards. So they're pretty long videos, so grab a snack and some water and enjoy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!